Hi teachers, I want to show you how to employ a new theme over the top of an old presentation. So as many of you know, here at our school we have a consistent branding that consists of fonts and colors and logos. And what we want to do is we want to, anytime we present to either a formal presentation, any type of presentation to outsiders, we want to maintain that branding. So how do we do that when we've got this old presentation? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to take a theme from a template and we're going to apply that theme to our old presentation. So you'll notice up here at the top that I have some templates up here for our slides. Google provides those for us, but we also have applied an institution-wide template to our organization. And anyway, if you don't see this template here, you can always go into the template gallery and then you're going to end up picking this. We have two in here right now. The CCS slide template over here is going to be deprecated here soon, so we're going to be wanting to use the new slide template. So in order to import a slide template into an old presentation, I first have to have a presentation that's been made using the new template. So what I'm going to do is just in the template gallery, anytime we click on a template, it's going to create a slideshow with that template. It's also going to leave the naming as new CCS slide template. Well, in this particular case, I'm going to actually, so this doesn't confuse me here, I'm just going to name this CCS slide template, and then I'm just going to write in theme right here. So this is the one I'm going to refer back to. And notice here there are some themes here on the side. All of these themes are provided by Google. They do not give us the option to supply our own theme in Google across the organization. So what we have to do is we have to make a theme, put it in a template, and then we've got to use that template whenever we want to do things. So I'm going to close this out here because we're not going to be working with that screen here. Just notice over here on the left-hand side that now if I want to create a new slide, it's going to create a slide. I don't have to delete any text out of it. I can just simply start typing. If I want to change the layout of this, I can go over here. Let's just say I can put in one with 3 images on it, add my subtitles to it. If I want to add a new one, I can go over here and add a new slide, and then we can apply the layout to it. We can actually apply that full screen blue just to break it up a little bit. So anyway, we now have this slide template with our theme in it, and this is going to be what we use in order to fix our old presentation. So let's go back to Slides Home. All right, so now I've got the old slideshow here, and we want to take the theme that's in this one and apply it over the top of this old slideshow. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and now you'll notice up here at the top that I actually have the ability to apply some layouts, backgrounds, etc. to this. In this case, we're going to apply a theme. So I'm going to click here. Well, notice that theme that we used in our previous slideshow from that template is not present, so we have to import it. And in order to import that theme, what I have to do is I have to go to a slideshow that I have already created with a theme that's already applied to it, and I've got to click on this and then click select. Now you're going to notice that this CCS slide template theme, which we've named it right here, we're going to select it, and then we're going to import the theme over the top of it. Now you'll notice here that the background is a little bit kind of a greenish gray, and the reason for that is what it's doing is it is combining the old theme with the new theme. Well, let's just say I don't like this background because number one, it's not school colors. So what I'm going to do here is to go over and we're going to actually select the background, and we're going to change the color on that background. Now notice that I have some custom colors in here because remember that theme that we brought in, we have set that up so that it uses the school gold, the school light blue, and the school navy blue. And so in this case, that navy blue, that custom color right there, we're going to apply it. When we do that and we click done, notice now that that old slideshow now has that background, but we still, on these images right here, they're still kind of light. So this really does kind of spice up this image and give it, or spice up this presentation and give it a CCS school theme. Now, when I want to add additional slides to it, it's going to add the same theme slide that that our template had. And if we want to continue to change background or apply background, however we want to do it, we can change that. And notice that now this is consistent with the previous slide. So this is how you apply a template over the top of an old slideshow. Now keep in mind that when you do this, if you have an existing slideshow that already has a lot of text in it and everything, you're going to end up having to probably resize some boxes. You're going to end up having to move some things around. Unfortunately, there's no way that everything is going to automatically fit into the old theme, or sorry, into the new theme. However, it will make it much easier for you than having to create an entirely new slideshow. And that's what we really want to keep you from having to do. So anyway, this is how we take a template theme and apply it over the top of an old slideshow. If you have any questions about how to do this, please email me at jbar@ccs.com, ccsk12.com, or you can come by the Learning Commons and see me here.